Hey everyone, welcome to the program today. So I want to talk about slowing down is not what you think it is. And I'm referring to your pace, your nervous system, your stress, and your perceptual fields. In talking to people over the years, people think slowing down is collapsing at night, watching TV, scrolling on your Instagram, or maybe taking some high-powered aerobic class at a fitness center, which could blow off some temporary stress, or even doing some cathartic therapies, which in the moment you have a release, but it becomes very addictive. And there isn't really a long-term nervous system reset or regulation. And what I'm talking about is the long-term self-regulation of the nervous system. It's not about effort, it's about pace. You know, technology is so much part of our culture, and we're always going to the speed of our email, of social media. And when we do this, we disconnect from our biological rhythms. Our nervous system has evolved from cycles, pauses, and variations. And even though we're rewarded for speed, efficiency, and productivity, it's having a major toll in all walks of life, whether it's health, business, or relationships. True self-regulation is not about collapsing, withdrawing. It's not passive. It's an intentional shift in our orientation. When pace exceeds our biological rhythms, our perception narrows. When we narrow our perceptual fields, our decision-making becomes more difficult, our relationships become unmanageable, and our health tends to spiral down. Technology increases our speed, and we lose context, timing, and we see less alternative options. In my work, what I observe is that when our peripheral vision and our perception opens, patterns become visible and our decisions become better. Our vision isn't just about our eyes, but it's driven by our whole body, which influences our nervous system. When we slow down, there's better communication in the eye-brain-body chain. Slowing down isn't doing less, it's connecting more to your rhythms. When you release the imposed have-tos, perception changes and everything else follows. If this way of working with perception and the nervous system resonates with you, consider joining my online cohort in March or coming to my retreat in California in September. These aren't about fixing or pushing change. These are about creating conditions so clarity emerges. So that's my podcast for today. Thank you so much for tuning in. Until next time, take care.